pandas have long since found ahead.
Friend, we have no melee now.
Careful!
Oh my goodness!
Careful! You want to intercept us!
Stop! There's a panda male head!
Mining trucks for their mining operations, so they are turtles. It seems we need to give them a big gift. Mining cars detected on opposite track.
Gotcha!
Be careful!
Biological activity in this area for a long time.
Wow!
He's going to launch an attack.
Oh my goodness! It's attacking us!
Enter the mountain turtle.
Run quickly! This place is really thrilling and exciting. I really like this adventure journey. Looking forward